Hello everyone, I am Vinay Kamath. In this video I will be discussing about the differences between a Hindu joint family firm and partnership. Let us first understand what is a Hindu joint family firm and a partnership. A Hindu joint family firm, it is a form of a business organization run by the Hindu undivided family wherein the family members own the business jointly. Partnership. It is a relation between a persons who have agreed to share the profit of the business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Now let us see the differences between Hindu joint family firm and a partnership. First, formation. Hindu joint family is created by the status, that is, a person becomes a member of the firm by virtue of being him born in the particular family. Partnership. It is formed by the contract in which two or more people agreeing to share in its profit, losses and risks. Governing law. Hindu joint family firm is governed by the Hindu laws, whereas partnership is governed by the Indian Partnership Act of 1932. Admission of new members. Admission of new member in a Hindu joint family. In a Hindu joint family firm, a new member is admitted when a child is born in the family. No other person than the family members can join the firm. Admission of new member in a partnership. In partnership, a new partner can be admitted with the consent of all partners. Number of members. In a Hindu joint family, it should have at least two co-partners. Husband and wife are considered as a single co-partner. There is no maximum limit for members in a Hindu joint family. Partnership. The minimum number of partners people required for partnership is two. Maximum number of partners in a business is 100 as per the Indian Companies Act of 2013. Authority of members. Authority of members in a Hindu joint family firm. All the powers are vested in Karta, and he is the only representative of the family who can contract debts or bind his co-partners by the acts done in the ordinary course of business, there being no mutual agency between the various co-partners. Authority of members in a partnership. According to Indian Partnership Act 1932, each partner has an implied authority to bind his co-partner by the act done in the ordinary course of business, there being a mutual agency between various partners. Right to share profit. In a Hindu joint family, a member of Hindu joint family does not have any right to share the profit. His only remedy lies in suit for partition. In partnership, each partner is entitled to claim his separate share of profit. Liability of members. Hindu joint family firm. Only Karta is personally liable to an ultimate extent his self-acquired property besides his share in a Hindu joint family firm is liable. Other co-partners' liability is limited to the extent of his interest in the business. Partnership. Each partner is personally and jointly liable to an unlimited extent. If firm's liabilities are not fully discharged out of the firm's property, each partner's personal property is liable for the debt of the firm. Effect of death of a member. Hindu joint family firm is not dissolved on death of a member or a co-partner. Partnership. A partnership is dissolved on the death of a partner. Minor as a co-partner. In a Hindu joint family firm, a newborn becomes a partner of a Hindu joint family business. In a partnership, a minor cannot become a partner in a partnership firm. This is all about the differences between a Hindu joint family firm and a partnership. Thank you.